Hey, are you looking for an idea for your bearded dad on Father's Day? I have an awesome idea for a shirt he's gonna love. If we're just meeting, hi, my name's Cindy and this is the Cindy Did It channel where I make different crafts and tutorials using the Cricut machine, amongst other things. And if this is something that you like, click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll know when other videos are uploaded. In today's video, I'm going to walk through the whole process to design this shirt. I love my bearded dad. Oh, is that going to be back up? Is it going to be backwards? In today's video, I'm going to show you from beginning to end, from designing in Cricut design space, all the way through the cutting, the weeding, and the ironing on to gift this shirt for your dad. Click on images and in the search box type beard. I like the second one. Click on that one and insert. Let's resize to the desired size for the t-shirt. We're going to click on images again and search for some simple sunglasses. These sunglasses are perfect. Let's resize these sunglasses and position them right above the beard. Let's add some text. On the left hand of the screen, click on text. We'll start with the word I and resize it so that it fits well in the sunglasses. Add text again and type the word my. And resize it to fit on the other side. We want to insert a heart shape. Using the arrows at the bottom right of the heart, I'm going to resize the heart to fit next to the eye. Next, I'm going to select the eye, the heart, and the word my. Align center vertically. Let's add more text. This time we're typing the word bearded. We want to put it over the beard and resize it so that the word goes all the way across the beard but leaves enough room at the bottom to add the word dad. In order to bring more attention to the word dad, we're going to choose a different font. We're going to choose a different font that is still easy to read but will stand out a little bit. I like this Anna's Fancy lettering. This font comes with your Cricut Access membership. I'm going to select the I, heart, my, and click weld. After I weld those words together, I'm going to choose the words and the sunglasses, and then go to the bottom right of the screen and click the slice button. This will slice the words into the sunglasses. And I can move these sliced words out of the way and delete them. I want to do the same with the words bearded dad, using the slice option the same way that we did at the top. Once that's done, I'm going to click and drag and select the two sections and click the weld button again to make this one cut image. I'm cutting this out of white HTV, but I'm changing the color to black on the screen just because it's easier for me to see. Using the fine point blade and the everyday iron-on setting for the material, the Cricut machine does its magic and cuts my image. And now that's done, I get to weed the HTV. This is actually my favorite part of any HTV project. It's just relaxing. I'm using my Cricut Easy Press 2 today, set at 305. I heated the shirt for about 5 seconds. Next is to put the cut HTV on the shirt. I usually measure about 3 fingers from the neckline to have the top of the image. I cover the HTV with the Teflon sheet. I like to use this one that I got off a Wish for just $1 shipping. It works just as good. I heat it for about 13 seconds and then remove the backing, and it's done. If this video was helpful, click that like button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and there are links to my social media in the description below. There's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Full disclosure, not all of the TikTok videos are crafting videos. I just like to have fun. Also, there's still an active giveaway to where there's a chance to where you could win this shirt. Just click or tap the screen right there to access the video that has the giveaway. That is all for today's video. Thank you for sticking around, and I hope to see you